do it. Okay, this is 65 Vietnam Veterans Parkway. This is where it's coming. Look at the sideways rain with this. That doesn't look good. That doesn't look good.
Yeah, whether you have a tornado on the ground there or not, those are winds probably 70 miles per hour or higher. That's going to create a lot of damage. Vietnam Veterans Boulevard there, just south.
Oh my gosh, you can't even see, Davis.
Yeah, that's
dangerous.
Very, very dangerous.
Oh gosh, people are on the road there. Oh my gosh, if you know people on the road in front of this storm, that is not good to be in right there. Look at those winds. That is dangerous winds coming across that road right there. That is I-65 Vietnam Veterans Boulevard right there. That is where the tornado-warned storm, its Doppler radar indicated, is headed. So, folks, this is the power of this storm. You need to take it seriously. And if we say it's time to go down to your safe zone, go down to your safe zone. I do want to